This is Julius Maricela and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Dorset. Good evening, London. Good evening, Tower Bridge. We're going to Cheers! Look guys, there's a lot of sheep in the field. Look, they're scared of me. Run, 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 run. Look, there's a lot scattered. Lulworth Castle. Jaran. So let's know the history of the Lulworth Castle. It's a park at the same time. Huge estate. This is a private property actually, but it's open to public. Beautiful. There's a castle in the middle of the park. Let's get closer. Guys, totoo ang parusa ng kamatayan. During the time of medieval era, this was the punishment, the maximum punishment for the criminals, the treason to the palace, to the castle, to the king. So they're going to have this punishment. Don't do this at home.
If you don't have it.
Welcome to the Lulworth Castle and Park, the most beautiful castle in the south. This fairy tale castle was originally built as a hunting lodge in the early 17th century to entertain aristocracy and royalty, and has been the family seat of the Weld family for 400 years. Ravaged by a catastrophic fire in 1929, it was partly restored in a pioneering partnership with English Heritage and is now open to the public as an historic visitor attraction and exclusive event venue. Inside the castle is a wealth of fascinating history. Walk in the footsteps of king and queens as you follow the history and Weld family fate and fortune, and explore the basement rooms and memorabilia collections. Children can enjoy hunting for 10 bats hidden around the castle. Discover spectacular panoramic views over the Purbeck countryside and towards the Jurassic Coast from the Lulworth Castle Tower.
Cheers, guys. I'm drinking Chardonnay. Cheers to the Lulworth Castle. It's a pleasure to be here. Have a picnic in front of the castle. It's priceless. Drink like a king. Of the castle. Who else can do this? Pedro, get me some ice.
Ay, wala na.
Sarap yung Chardonnay. O tita, join me dito. Okay lang yan kasi kasama nga siya sa vlog. Oh, dyan mag-picture tayo ka na. Ang aking mga alalay ay busy sa pag-picture. The Lulworth Castle is one of the English heritage that has been preserved to show to public. It's a private property, a private estate, but the owner decided to show it to public because it's a grade listed property, meaning it's counted to one of those medieval properties that still exist until now. preserved history. And it's always, it's good to feel it, you know, when you can still experience it until now, through generations. And it's free. It's free to visit here. It's just 2.5 hours from London. Cheers! The spacious grounds of the castle are yours to enjoy. Take a picnic in the grounds, wander through ancient woodland and parkland, have fun in the children's playground. The castle tea room offering a limited takeaway service and has a small collection of gifts. The castle is open daily from Easter to Christmas, Sunday to Friday. The castle is closed on Saturdays for weddings and occasionally at other times during the year. Please check opening times before you travel. They also have introduced a limit on visitor numbers to help keep everyone safe, and you won't be able to visit without your tickets or booking confirmation. If you are a member of English Heritage or Historic Houses Association, your ticket will be free, but you still need to book in advance and show your membership cards and tickets when you arrive. There will be a new steps in place to ensure everyone's safety. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Cheers! Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.